All right, Bracken, say hi. Hey. Ready for the snowstorm? This is the blizzard of 2016.
Oh, Andy, you are so... You're pathetic.
Let's go.
Okay, I'm doing mine on.
Only 2 inches have fallen of the 30 predicted.
There we go.
Bracken, this way.
Come on.
Come on.
Where do you want
There
it?
goes the first plow.
Huh? You're gonna fall down. Come on. Let's go.
Let's move that up so you can see a little bit.
Over here. Come on. Come on. Snow. Look at all that snow.
Bracken, come over here.
There you go. What's that? Huh?
Snow.
Bracken, look. You do it. Here, help.
Can you shovel the snow? He can't grab a thing with his wings on. That's mean.
Good job, Bracken. Oh, I haven't done this for a long time.
Put it in there. Oh, there you go.
You're moving a little slow there. You pick up the pace.
Get my camera, get my phone and take a picture for me.
Snow.
No. Different look for me.
Yeah, you have pants on.
Yeah.
It only happens once every 10 years in blizzards.
Don't step where I haven't shoveled.
Maybe don't make your mom shovel.
Make sure you throw it over. Bracken, you want to come over here?
I know. You're gonna shovel, aren't you? What? Snow.
Make a snow angel. Go.
Snow angel! A snow angel!
Take a picture. Can you take a picture of it? He can't get up. Snow angel. Snow angel.
The snow angel. Good job, Bracken.
No.
Snow. Say hi.
Bracken, what's falling? What is this?
You
Annie,
can go
can you
take Scout in the
take,
side yard. He's running around if you want.
Can you take still pictures off of that?
No.
No.
Scout, go. Come on, Bracken.
I see you. I see you.
Go get Scout. Come on, Bracken, let's go. Run. Bracken, run. Let's go. Move, run, come on. Come on. No, yes, no. Come on.
Mom, when you're done with the driveway, don't forget the sidewalks.
I know.
Bracken, what's outside? Look. Ah, no, you gotta leave your glove on. Bracken, look at mommy. Bracken, look at mommy. Thank you. Bracken, here. Bracken. Bracken. What's this? Hey. Bracken, look at mommy.
So you have to take a picture of me.
Is that cold? Oh, you found your stick. You got your stick.
Bracken. Cold. Bracken, cold.
It's too bad we don't have a sled.
I know, I wanted to get one. Here, put your hand in.
Scout, go get him. Go. Come on. Go get him. Go. Go get him. Go. Go. Go, boy. Hi, Bracken. Hi. Snow. Snow. Go get him. Go. 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 Go get him. Go get him. Go. Go. Scout, go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Come here. Come here. Ready? 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 Go. Go get him.
You want to do a snow angel? Lay down.
Scout. Good boy.
What? Scout. No.
What? Come this way.
Bracken. 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 All right, I think I'm gonna take him in. Unless you want to stand outside with him. I'm going in. You can bring him in a minute.
It's the snowman.
Dang, I just shoveled this. Ah! This is not fair. I just shoveled it. Is that the snowman?
Bracken needs to earn his keep and start